Again, it's John Blowers here. We've spoken a couple of times on other videos, and the whole idea is they're trying to get it out there so everybody has access to information on what it takes to build energy efficient homes, whether it's passive house, zero carbon, anything which is going to improve the way that we work in construction at the moment. Today we want to talk about insulation. Insulation is one of the five main ways of controlling heat loss or energy loss. There's many different types, and there's many insulations coming onto the market all the time. I just want to go with a few of them today, just to give you an idea of what's coming on the market at the moment. Ones we've used mostly is an eco bead. That is a recycled oil, very good. Well, what we have here is we have three different types here at the moment. We have glass fibre. Now, I call it glass fibre. It's not fiberglass as we know it, with these sheets of itchy, horrible stuff. This is recycled glass. About 70% of this is recycled. And it's also a low chemical impact. In other words, it takes very little to produce this chemically. So therefore, we're not having a huge amount of effect on the environment to produce it, and it's largely recycled. Very good. We also have this next one. This is actually a timber. It's wood fibre. That's all it is. It's a wood fibre, and this gets blown into any of the cavities, and again, what I term as an earth product, natural product. We have cellulose. Cellulose is actually paper. Could be your newspaper, any form of paper which is processed so it forms an independent fibre. Now, when we mention fibres, there's two things to remember here. Anything that produces fibre, however innocent, isn't good for your health. Wear masks. A good quality mask on any insulation is always good. Good advice that for anybody. The other thing is, how is it and why is it used? One is we use it because it doesn't slump, it doesn't condense. We actually inject it in with a blower or an air machine, which mashes it all up and puts it in under high pressure and condenses it within any void that's in your property. But in movement or over time, things can slump and condense and create cold gaps where you've got no insulation. These particular insulations are really good at not doing that. Once they're in and they're put into the correct pressure and compactness, they're not going to condense, and they're always going to be there, and they're always going to do their job. So insulation.